Principal, teachers, all my dear friends, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha Sharifa. At first, I wish you all very happy Republic Day. Today is 26 January and we are celebrating 77 Republic Day. एक जश्न बावकार है 26 जनवरी, एक जश्न बावकार है 26 जनवरी, एक वजह इफ्तिखार है 26 जनवरी. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Constitution is the supreme law of India. Constitution was written by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We should always respect our Constitution. ईशान है ये मान है ये वतन का फख्र है, चले वतन इसी से है, ये मेरा फख्र है.